Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. Actually, the box looks so big, but the content is very small. So let's quickly open this. Here we have the coins. Technically, I have some sponging here, and this is full of sponge packing. Actually, this method I love it very much, but I am not sure how much he is spending for this type of packing. You can see here. Actually, even we to our customers, we don't spend this much for packing, but this person is doing this. I am so grateful for his work. So you can see it's perfect packing. Here we have the coins. Actually, I have purchased this as a set. This is only a single set. Uh, you can see many coins, but all these are a single set. I will show you how. You can see here. So you can see all are commemorative coins in a good XF condition, not UNC or ANC, all good XF plus condition. Totally we have, like we said, shall we count now? 1 2, you can see all are commemorative, all are different commemorative coins. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 and 31. So technically what we have here is 31 different coins. All are different, like both we have both 1 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins. So totally we have 31 coins in this set. Actually, this is not for separate coin sales. It will be given only as 31 coin set, or even if we have few other more, we will add this as a set. So all are only for a single set sale. So interested person, message me. I will give you the link for this collections on WhatsApp. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button.